everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome all the virtual watchers to the webcast. I'm very honored and happy to open the final seminar of the ROADIDEA project. I'm Pirkko Saarikivi, the coordinator of this project that has been now taking for 2.5 years, and now we are in the final phases and will show you some nice results today. This final seminar will take 2 days. Today first it will be 3 hours with a little coffee break in between, and you will hear all the key results, what we have achieved, and all the work package leaders of this project will present them to you. And we will end at 5:30. And then tomorrow morning we start up again at 9 o'clock. We come here, we will have some presentations first, but then the rest of the day will be very fun. We will have a free brainstorming session, and also what is very nice, we will then see who has the best idea, and we are happy then to give him or her the first and maybe the last ROADIDEA Innovation Prize. This will happen tomorrow in the end in the afternoon. So please join us and hear what we have to say. Some general facts about the ROADIDEA project. It's really, the objective is to study the whole European transport system and to see how could we innovate new services, and especially radical services, those that really would change the world. And are there some barriers for the innovativeness, and how could we enhance more service innovations? And for this reason we really have analyzed well all the parts of the system. And then also we got a little extension. We are also comparing European situation to USA and Canada. So there will be very interesting results of that as well. Especially tomorrow you will hear about that. We have a certain hypothesis that we started. When we started, we said that, okay, we should have effective accessibility to information. We should have all kinds of models to process the data. For instance, data filtering and so on, and then do the forecasting models. And then we should have an information platform to really deal with all this data, and also very good standards. Then we have a good ground to really start innovating new services. This picture shows sort of a scheme that we have been working with. So in the lower layer we have all the data that's flowing in the system. Okay, hello Emilio, it's our project officer, welcome, we have started. Yes, so all kinds of data is flowing into the system, from sensors, observations, and all registers, whatever, can be online, can be fixed. In the middle layer then we have these methods and models, which can be forecasting models, they can be whatever data processing methods. And then in the upper layer we have the actual service layer, where the services are done finally, usually automatically nowadays with computers more or less, and then sent directly to the end users, who can be in their cars or can be walking on the street or wherever. So this is the scheme, and then you see our work packages in ROADIDEA project, the general ones of course, management, evaluation, dissemination, but the actual technical work packages were on data, on models and methods, and then most of them were dealing with the actual services, utilization, innovation, pilots, and business, how to make good business out of this. Innovation is really the key word in our project, and in ROADIDEA we had 2 innovation cycles. Each of them took about 1 year. And it started from the brainstorming. We had a brainstorming session like we will have tomorrow, but a little bit longer one, and really started to, with the group of experts, started to really brainstorm what do you think would be nice to develop, and what would users need, and so on. And then we selected some good ideas and started to develop them, some of them really concretely, into pilots. And I think in this we were quite successful. And then had also a second innovation round. In this one we concentrated more on a longer time span and really tried to get more radical innovations. But I don't know if we ever got them. anyway, we got quite nice results. We innovated more than 100 new ideas. And well, now I'm happy to give the floor then to the real hardworking team members of ROADIDEA, and we hear these results. What we have got, we will discuss about the barriers of the innovation, what should be done to remove these barriers, and what are really the key recommendations of our project.